Hi folks, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sudeep. In today's video, we are going to dive into how to add a theme to your Angular application. Adding a theme can make your app look professional and polished. So let's get started. Before getting started, let's see what we will be learning in this video. Here you could see this is our basic web application. On click of this toggle button, the theme of the application will be changed. We will be implementing this. This is our Angular application. This is the header, brand logo, search box, and navigation menu items here. In the body, we are displaying the postcards with the title and the description here. So currently the web page is very basic and it lacks the color. I'm planning to improve its appearance by adding some well-designed color theme to make it more visually appealing and engaging. And in the header, I have already implemented the toggle button, sun indicating the light theme and moon indicating the dark theme. And I have already selected the color schema. So for the gray and my brand color, I have selected orange with the different shades, ensuring the sufficient contrast between them, text and the background. Let me tell you the strategy that we are going to use in implementing the theming functionality for our Angular application. Here you could see I have the HTML with the attribute data theme indicating light. All the color schemas that I have in this will be used in the light theme, and in the same way it is for dark theme. Okay, now let's go to our web application and inspect that. And this is our HTML, right now. Like if I pick any element, I'll select the card. Okay, so if I select the background and something red or something, it is changing here, right? Now I'll make use of var hyphen hyphen color gray 100. Okay, that I have defined it here, color gray 100. Okay, so now it is not getting applied here, but the thing, if I add this attribute here in for the HTML, add attribute, so data theme equals light. Just observe the change here. Here you could see the background of this card is changed. If I change it to dark, press enter, it is changed to dark theme. The same strategy that we will implement programmatically. Let's see how to do that. This is the folder structure of our application. This is the app component, header component, and constant file to hold the constants, and shared service file. To implement the theming functionality, we will write the methods and the properties in the shared file itself. Let's define the current theme. I'll keep it light, okay, for now, and just define one method like set theme, and initially the dark mode. I'll give a default value, I will pass it as false, and the return type will be void. Okay, as you know, we will be targeting this HTML tag, right? Somehow we have to get this HTML. So now what I will do, I will define one variable like HTML element equals to document dot query selector of HTML. If the dark mode is true, I want to set the application theme to dark, otherwise to light. Okay, for this HTML element dot set attribute, we are setting the attribute right here, so that too it is data theme, and I will keep it dark. Make sure this attribute name and the attribute name in this theme CSS or CSS file, it should be matching. Okay, next I'll copy the same and I'll paste it here, keep it light. Okay, and also change the theme variable, this dot current theme equals to dark, and this dot current theme equals to light. See, now we have used these variables, see, now we have used this light, dark, these strings. See, now we are using this light at two places, three places, and dark at two places. To make it consistent, I will define one enums in the constant, saying like export enum themes, keep it dark, and light. Save this and import this in the shared services. Like I will remove this and paste it here. Dot light quick fix import. Just copy this, paste it here, change to dark, yeah, this keeps in a consistent way. Now our set theme method is ready. We have to call this method from the header component. Okay, so whenever user toggles this, we have to call that. For that we will define one method in the ts file saying toggle theme. We have to use like shared service, right? shard. Let's import that first. Okay, private shared service of type shared service. Okay, now we will use this dot shared service dot set theme. So for now I will pass true. Okay, let's pass true now and call this method in the on click event of this CLI click of toggle theme. Okay, and to see the changes I will apply the background color for this. Background color where hyphen color gray and 700. Okay, and I'll open the styles or some here in the body. I'll apply the text color. Okay, variable of hyphen color gray 700. Okay, so no, I will change the background color to 300 for now. Let's see the changes. Okay, let's go to the browser and check this functionality. Reload this. Now on click of this toggle button, the theme should be added here. So it is not getting added. Let's see what went wrong. Okay, this should be a method call. Let's save this. Now I will click on this toggle button. Here you could see the data theme attribute is added and the theme is set to light. So the functionality that we have implemented in the service file, it is working fine. Now let's make a small change in the header component. Instead we are calling the set theme here. I will define one more method in the shared service saying toggle theme. I will be checking the current theme whether it is a dark or light. Based on that I will be changing the theme. Okay, I will call that toggle method here. Save this, go to the browser and check that. So it is applying properly. So now the theme is set to light. So but when you observe that when you click on multiple times, the theme is not getting changed. It is still remaining light only. What can we do now? Let's see the implementation. In this shared service file, we will define one subject to create the observable which will actively listening for the theme changes that happens in the application. So for that I will define the variable theme changed equals new behavior subject. It will be a boolean type. Next the value will be true. Okay, in the constructor we will subscribe to this observable theme changed dot subscribe theme mode. It should be boolean. This dot current theme equals theme mode. If it is true, themes dot light, otherwise it should be themes dot dark. Okay, just save this, and in the set theme, call this dot theme changed dot next of dark mode. Save this. Let's go back to the browser. So reload this, and on click of this, the theme is toggling. And one thing we can observe here, on click of this, the icon is not getting changed, it is remaining sun. Let's see that. Let's go to header component.html. So we are changing it here, we are using dark mode here, so that property lies here, so we have to toggle this. For that, we will listen for the changes. This dot shared service dot theme changed dot subscribe, and theme mode, it should be a boolean. So this dot dark mode equals to theme mode. Just save this, reload. So this is light dark, light dark. Yeah, it's working fine. But one thing what we can observe here, whenever you refresh the page, so the data theme property is not set, and the value is also not set. We have to store the theme of the application in local storage, so that we can retrieve it whenever the application reloads or something. Let's just see that. In this method, let's add one statement like local storage dot set item. It should be I will keep the key name like theme data. That would be nice. So theme data, this dot current theme. Just save this. After this, we will add one more method. I'll add at the first. So restore theme. Okay. So for this, what we can do, let theme data equals local storage dot get item of theme data. Just save this and call this dot set theme of theme data. Okay, it should be a boolean, right? So what we can do, theme data, compare this with themes dot light or dark, so that you will get a boolean. Now you know that restore, it should be E. Yeah, now copy this, and you know the first component that will be rendered on the screen, it's the app component. So let's go to app component, implement the on init, implements on init. So let's call ng on init. In this method, just call that service method. Okay, for this we have to want the constructor, it should be like this, private shared service copy this, and next call this method, this dot shared service dot restore theme. Okay, just save this. Now reload this. Here you could see as soon as the application loaded in the browser, that theme attribute is set, and the icon is also right. On toggling this, the theme is getting changed. Now let's add the proper theme for these contents here, like the cards and the header. Okay, let's open the header component.css file, and I will change this color to 100, change black color variable of color gray to 300. Let's see the change. Yeah, it's working fine now. Let's change the icon colors. For that, whatever the icons which is in the header component, I will change that color to variable of color brand of 700. Okay, and I have to use hashtag important. Let's save this. Now color is changed. Let's change the theme. it's working fine. Next, let's change the color of the search box, like background color, variable of color gray. I'll just keep it 200. So yeah, it's working fine now, and I will copy the same, paste it here. Yeah, now it's looking good. Let me change the color of the input also. Color of color, some color gray 700. Okay, save this and just change the theme. Now it's looking good. Let's add the background color for the body. For that, let's go to app component.acss, and I think let's see this. What is this component? I think it is a container. Let's add the background color for this. Background color, variable of color gray 200. Just save this. Yeah, it is looking good. And let's add the background color for the postcards. Background color, variable of color, I'll keep it 200 for now. Let's see. Okay, it should not be 200, it should be less than that, 100. Yeah, right now that is looking good. Now our website is looking good in the light and dark theme. In the same way, you can implement the theming functionality for your Angular application, but you have to choose the colors carefully for the light and dark theme so that it can make your web application attractive. Very soon I will publish one more video how to implement the theming for React application. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more insights and tutorials. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.